Horrific civilian toll as Ethiopia turns to combat drones to quell local insurgencies. The place was littered with body parts of dead people, intact dead bodies, and survivors with missing limbs who were moaning in pain.
ዛሬ ጥቅምት 7 2017 ዓመተ ምህረት በአማራ ክልል አዊ ዞን ዳንግላ ወረዳ አፈሳ ቀበሌ ላይ ጧት 3 ሰዓት አካባቢ ላይ በሁለተኛ ደረጃ ትምህርት ቤት ላይ በተጣለ የድሮን ጥቃት የተሰዉ ሰማዕታት የቀብር ስነ ስርዓት ነው።
The Ethiopian Orthodox priest reached the site of the explosion just minutes after the missile had hit. It was a scene of complete devastation. It was horrific, he told the new humanitarian. The place was littered with body parts of dead people, intact dead bodies, and survivors with missing limbs who were moaning in pain. The second witness, called below, lost 9 members of his family in the strike. They were returning from a baptism ceremony. Bilal helped remove 16 dead bodies from the site, including relatives. He estimates that over 30 people were killed and many more wounded. On the day of the attack, life was normal, with people going about their day-to-day business, said Bello. We were not expecting the tragedy that happened in the afternoon. There hadn't been any fighting in the area. Drone attacks like the one that killed Belaw's relatives have become a hallmark of the counter-insurgency campaign aimed at quashing a rebellion that erupted in Amhara, Ethiopia's second biggest region. In the first days of the rebellion, militiamen known as Fano launched a surprise assault from the countryside to seize control of Amhara's towns and airports. The military only managed to regain control by deploying tanks and artillery. Since then, Fano forces have retreated to Amhara's mountainous interior, but they continue to launch raids on towns to steal weapons and release prisoners from police stations. The military, which has scant control over the countryside, appears to be increasingly turning to its fleet of drones to counter them. Both the UN and the state-appointed Ethiopian Human Rights Commission have documented other drone strikes in the region, including an attack against a school and another on a bus stop.